front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same one again. If you want to, you can always just go into settings, scroll all the way down and click on location. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to access my location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!